Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a biolab in Subnautica 2. Now, over on your habitat builder and on the interior facilities, you can find the biolab inside here, and you can check for the materials needed to build it. However, this won't really appear on your habitat builder until you've scanned a fully intact biolab to get its blueprint. The landmark we're using to determine a direction will be the life pod, and literally to the southeast direction, right around bearing 150, there's a structure that houses the biolab that you need to scan. Make your way over to the building, and although it may seem peaceful, there have been, in some occasion, a 4-eye roaming the area, so be careful. You can find the entrance here to the side, and immediately in front of you is the biolab, and as you can see, I can use it even inside here, because I did place a battery right into this wall to make this functionable. But the location might be an inconvenience for you, so we're going to make our own, inside our own base. Once you've scanned the building, go back to your habitat, get the materials of the biolab, and just smack it inside wherever you like. And that's about it on how to build a biolab in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.